abusia kyerɛ sɛ Africa for the anytime bi a wobɛhunu sɛ yɛdin ɛka biribi ho no na kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ no yɛ mmoasɛm an kyerɛ sɛ utimu sɛ minim ɔmo a ɛyɛ wiase no wɔmo sorte nneɛma list nneɛma reti nneɛma abusia deɛ tie nyina ne sɛ ɛwɔ saa show yi so no yɛbɛhwɛ three most dangerous wicked president abusia wɔmo te ase mprempren wɔmo wu nka ho mprempremu na obegye di sɛ Africa ni mampani ɛna wolidi kyerɛ sɛ ɛna America no ewiase we yɛ yomi ensemfo nkwase asɛm semunu ensem egu nipa ho fi no saa no mani nyina no ɛyɛ Africa fo ɛna mulidi odi opa world most poorest country Africa nyi ama de beka African country bi anyi ama de beka eswa opa abo world most dirty country Africa country bi ama de beka so bo wo mo adwen wo fam ene Ghana nyina na yedimu bi dirty Ghana yedimu bi ene enwade ade abusia world most wicked president so Ghana yegomu bi jumadiye aya 3 in 1 this time seremon yankosha de eko nyina.
Top 3 countries with the most dangerous president. Number 3 is
abusia. Yes, top 3 most you can say before say be share full list say dear or that first answer abusia or ye African before say be share atie akomu deep no ahu mesremo yemfa we entwam emam wansa. Yes, near bad ye be komu deep or watch as a president for din. Yes,
in fact, me no nyina be dia dance say na ando be president wantima mu o man se ne yepe na emu mine no you be a osuro nyame na se onye obi a osuro nyame ewa ahomobro wotima obeye dempo no wada adwen ho ahu se ate asefo de omo ankasa betima bo omo bra na emum ensamanfo de omo ne mo afiri ba bia ntimanti bia obetua ensamanfo ka na wajai ate asefo na se behwe so a those days no nonsense samanfo no ebobra echen atiasefo no because asiye bia obekobia no na ye ties any POP na mum na atiasefo dodo na adata kwa medan mu eno da di pefe se na nsamanfo no omonsa ka omakatua se ne yese na efata atai asefo
atai asefo atiasie na chese nanadomo eye God fearing people mponu no ene omonye God fearing dia nkan ebusia enye die besinye amsramo before ye beko wo mo awiase nyina omo ye a president fo a omo ye wicked before se beko omo nsam so no wahu ye nhwe enkwase demonstration bi a ekoso e wo ka se ye yes ye nananom ewafuo ni bi omo kiremu a ensem ankomo ka atwam dadada ye kyerese omo say daughter of Medra zinato ensensem ye course of parliament ya anka atwam no afi no mwatena se adwen nwu se e wo so mo ye sansem no demonstration enti ena no eno mututu ko jan abobo ko jan ehyehyehye tuntum ni kokko ade wo mo placards ekitaye enante de babusua parliament se adanya omo besiki for justice so said dien about sa daughter of Medra statement na e course so our parliament na yenhwe videos embra ye ba behwe world most dangerous president for
These are the names submitted to me as those who have come on the demonstration to draw our attention to that unsavory remark. They are being led by their national patron in the person of Madame Anita Disoso. They also have their national chairperson in the person of Madame Angel Mutako. The others include the vice chairman, Mr. Geoffrey Atakli Banini, the secretary, Mr. Wolanyo Agradi, organizer, Mr. Akwom Kofi Dodunu, deputy treasurer, Ms. Yvette Mototi. The youth organizer is Mr. Elike Amenyau. The public relations officer is Mr. Francis Azo Hadi. And then you have one Mr. James Agama and Mr. Francis Seshi.
Let us focus on their contribution.
Abusia sa daughter of Medra sit down here na chese abusia ya duru eho ewo yo mo baye emu demonstration ane enwa de ade yo na Ghana fo binum echire mo mo ye demonstration no omu ni adwuma ye adanya obi a wakum nipa na yesi wakum nipa so ba ye ho demonstration say adinti no mo kan say wakum nipa abusia yemfiri ni nyina so na yenko the main story I get top 3 countries with the most dangerous president abusia.
Top 3 countries with the most dangerous president. Number 3 is North Korea with Kim Jong-un. Now, as we all know, he's just a madman, and he's more threatening to the people inside of North Korea, highly suppressive, highly controlling, and if they disobey him, they go to these work camps where basically it's a punishment worse than death. Number 2 is Vladimir Putin of Russia. Now, Putin is a danger not only to the Russian people, but to the outside world, and he is just a monster. Russia also has the most nuclear weapons of any country in the world, which is terrifying, and Putin's attack on the Ukraine has just been a mess. If you like this list and want more about other nonsense, follow me. Leave me a comment with the country you think has the worst or most dangerous president. Also follow my wife Samantha, who I've tagged. Number 1, this one is really important, and I did a list of the worst presidents in the world, and so many people reached out about him, and there's been a lot of media suppression from him, and because of how much we don't know about him, it makes him even scarier, and that he's controlling the media, and we're not seeing the terrible things he does. But this is William Ruto of Kenya.
William Ruto of Kenya, African country, you Kenya. Ya Kenya ya wo de maya eware ehwanom wo bay Kenya abusia the whole world president ya wo ye dangerous Africa ni chese president utimu say Africa de emwase munyina no yen na ye lead yen na ye lead a omose Kenya president no abusia imagine say wo ye dangerous the sini won say list no the other third South Korea president here. Guy obi anim say the 3 more din wo ye wicked ujimi obekum and then say ya kura yesi wakum you can say government official back no de ye nim no say wo no ye wicked. Imagine William Ruto here or that face and ye ultimu say no de debut okum nipa wu and na Russia president kura na ye feel say wo ye wicked Vladimir Putin no William Ruto more wicked than him according to world statistics. Yes, just abusia ye mama unu de ekonti Africa de unyabo Africa not just emboa sembia no ye involved we any the HAGU subscribe for updates na amazing me fa wo nc ahasi ye